Amazon sellers, this is your inside information. Today, we're not going to go into the Google Trends because they're the exact same. Price gouging on Amazon, how to report price gouging on Amazon, shipping suspensions. So instead of the Google report, I'm going to talk to you about Amazon versus sellers, how Amazon is coming after you, and also the flip side, how you can build a $1 million business based on Amazon. Amazon versus sellers. We know, because we've seen the spreadsheets, we've seen the correspondence, Amazon is turning over your information to your state attorney generals for their price gouging investigations. The state attorney generals reached out to Amazon and said, hey, you are price gouging. And Amazon said, whoa, 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 it's not us, it's the third-party sellers. Here's the name, the address, the account number, their phone number, their email address. Here are all their sales. Go at them. And guess who Amazon left off every single spreadsheet? Amazon neglected to let the attorney generals know about its own sales and its own pricing. Before we get to how to build a $1 million Amazon-based business, I'm going to talk about two ways of sourcing your products because this is part of building a $1 million based business. First, if you're sourcing in China, okay, the vast majority of the factories are in China, you got to check out 8020sourcing.com. 8020sourcing.com was founded by a guy named Gary Huang, who is ethnic Chinese, but raised in Los Angeles and emigrated back to Shanghai. And he uses his skills as an American college-educated businessman, as well as his language skills and also fitting in Chinese society to help you source products in China. He helps you identify, source, quality control, then getting the products into the United States. Gary is a tremendous value to sourcing products in China. He also created something called the 7-Figure Seller Summit, which is a remarkable online course on how to sell on Amazon. Now, in order to build a $1 million business, you have to diversify. And it's not just diversifying your income, it's diversifying where you source your products. And that's where India comes in. Check out indiasourcingtrip.com. It was founded by a woman named Megla who has just hit her 4,000th member on her Facebook group. And in India, you can get a lot of products that you can't get in China. Woodwork, metal products, textiles, leathers, plus the quality of the products coming out of India are head and shoulders better than China. So you need to diversify your products, you need to diversify your sourcing, because what we've learned from the Corona epidemic is that factories also get affected. So check out indiasourcingtrip.com. Here's the main story of the day, and this is going to be a series of videos to help you build a $1 million business on Amazon. Today I'm going to talk about the first 3 tips to build your $1 million business on Amazon. The first one is building intellectual property rights. You have to develop a brand. Branding and intellectual property rights, your trademark, your copyright, that is the modern day goodwill. That is the value in your business, since Amazon is such an erratic place to build a business. So you got to make sure you develop a private label, and that starts with a trademark. Tip number 2, use Amazon's IP Accelerator program. IP stands for intellectual property. And Amazon made deals with a handful of lawyers around the United States where if you use them to apply for your trademark, you get brand registry right away. We have basically stopped doing trademark applications for Amazon sellers. We've told sellers, don't pay us, use the IP Accelerator program, because while you're going to pay a little bit more to the lawyers, you're going to get brand registry right away. Third tip, as you are now sourcing your products, diversify where you are getting products from. That's why we talked about 8020sourcing.com. That's why I talked about indiasourcingtrip.com, because when you start getting your products, you don't want to get your products from the same place. If there's a problem in China, you want to have products coming in from India. If there's a problem in India, you want to have products coming in from China. So you have a constant flow of your products. Diversity is business 101, and you want to diversify your products. You also want to make sure you diversify where your products are coming from. If you want to learn more about how to build your business, we have a whole series of videos on how to make money on Amazon.